Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fold a wrap. Firstly, use a 10-inch tortilla for enough wrapping space. Ensure it's soft and pliable. Just warm it briefly in the microwave or dry a skillet to prevent tearing. Now, place a moderate amount of filling in a line across the tortilla, leaving more than half the tortilla empty at the top and about 2 inches of space on each side. Avoid overfilling, it makes rolling difficult and messy. Now fold both sides towards the center, leaving about 1 inch of filling visible. While holding the side folds in place, use your thumbs to pull the bottom flap over the filling. Roll tightly, keeping everything secure as you roll the top. Now you've got a perfectly wrapped tortilla ready to enjoy without spillage. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.